A manufacturer from Taiwan has launched an adventure crossover scooter, an aggressive-looking bike. This manufacturer is targeting the Maxi scooter adventure segment by displaying a motorcycle designed to follow the trends and characteristics of existing local motorcycles. Like the flat deck area, the tank hole in the front, and also the dual rear suspension. Introducing the all-new Aeon Str 2022. The STR has the same displacement as the previously known one, and uses a 278.3 cubic centimeters 4-stroke water-cooled single-cylinder engine. The main light weight of 148 kilograms and a short wheelbase of 1,430 millimeters are used to create its brisk dynamic response. Of course, the biggest advantage is the yellow card. It is more convenient for commuting and long-distance travel across counties and cities to have a relatively complete right-of-way in Taiwan, plus a 10-liter fuel tank. For the suspension braking part, STR is equipped with a 35mm reinforced front fork and a double-gun nitrogen suspension shock absorber, with stepless adjustable preload. The front brake adopts a one-way 2-piston caliper with a 266mm disc, and the rear brake is a one-way single-piston caliper with a 235mm disc, and has a front and rear dual-circuit ABS system. The tire size is similar to the size of the current white brand water-cooled flagship models on the market. The front and rear are 13-inch configurations, which are 120/70 by 13, 130/70 by 13, and Maxis are 1N tires.